A diabetic diet is a crucial component of managing diabetes and ensuring overall health and well-being. This eating plan focuses on regulating blood sugar levels to prevent complications associated with diabetes, such as heart disease, kidney issues, and nerve damage. The primary goal is to maintain stable blood glucose levels throughout the day. Here are some key principles of a diabetic diet. Carbohydrate management. Carbohydrates have a direct impact on blood sugar levels. Therefore, it's essential to choose complex carbohydrates with a low glycemic index, GI. These include whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, oats, vegetables, and legumes. Monitoring portion sizes is equally important to avoid excessive carbohydrate intake. Fiber-rich foods. Incorporating high-fiber foods is beneficial for individuals with diabetes. Fiber helps slow down the absorption of sugar, promoting better blood sugar control. Fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes are excellent sources of fiber. Lean proteins. Protein plays a role in stabilizing blood sugar levels and promoting satiety. Opt for lean protein sources such as poultry, fish, tofu, and legumes. Including a variety of protein-rich foods in your meals helps create a balanced diet. Healthy fats. Focus on consuming healthy fats, such as those found in avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil. These fats contribute to heart health and help manage weight. Be mindful of saturated and trans fats, commonly found in processed and fried foods, and limit their intake. Practical tips for implementing a diabetic diet. Implementing a diabetic diet involves practical strategies that individuals can incorporate into their daily lives. Here are some actionable tips to make the process more manageable. Meal planning. Plan meals ahead of time to ensure a balanced and well-thought-out diet. This includes considering portion sizes, incorporating a variety of food groups, and distributing meals throughout the day. Portion control. Be mindful of portion sizes to avoid overeating. Smaller plates and bowls can help regulate portion sizes and prevent excessive calorie consumption. Regular meal timing. Maintain a consistent eating schedule with 3 main meals and planned snacks. This helps regulate blood sugar levels and provides a steady source of energy throughout the day. Hydration. Stay well hydrated with water, as it supports overall health and can aid in managing blood sugar levels. Limit the consumption of sugary drinks and excessive caffeine. Monitoring blood sugar levels. Regularly monitor blood glucose levels as healthcare professionals advise. Understanding how different foods affect blood sugar allows for better dietary adjustments. Individualized approach. Work closely with healthcare professionals, including registered dietitians and doctors, to create a personalized diabetic diet plan. Tailor the plan to individual health needs, preferences, and lifestyles. By adopting these principles and practical tips, individuals with diabetes can effectively manage their condition through a balanced and nutritious diet, promoting overall well-being and reducing the risk of complications. In conclusion, a diabetic diet is a fundamental aspect of managing diabetes and promoting overall health. The key principles of this diet revolve around carbohydrate management, incorporating fiber-rich foods, choosing lean proteins, and opting for healthy fats. Practical implementation involves strategic meal planning, portion control, maintaining regular meal timing, staying hydrated, and monitoring blood sugar levels. Individuals with diabetes should approach their dietary choices with a personalized mindset, seeking guidance from healthcare professionals, including registered dietitians and doctors. This individualized approach ensures that dietary plans align with specific health needs, preferences, and lifestyle factors. By adhering to a well-balanced diabetic diet, individuals can stabilize blood sugar levels, reduce the risk of complications, and enhance their overall quality of life. The emphasis on whole, nutrient-dense foods, coupled with mindful eating habits, forms the foundation for effective diabetes management and supports the pursuit of long-term health and well-being.